Good morning, students. Today I am discussing the organic chemistry of 12th class. Okay, organic chemistry in 12th class is very weightage in organic chemistry. 28 marks in board examination asked from organic chemistry. And 11th class also you have to learn the nomenclatures, and I am discussing the organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the compounds of carbon and hydrogen, is known as organic chemistry. Organic chemistry में पहला चैप्टर 12th का मैं डिस्कस करूंगा हैलोअल्केन एंड हैलोनीन. Haloalkane. What is haloalkane? Haloalkanes, when in alkane hydrogen replaced by halogen group is known as haloalkane. Haloalkane. Suppose that this is haloalkane is also called alkyl halide. In alkane, methane CH3 is methane, one hydrogen replaced by halogen. Halogen group, suppose that Cl. So this is called chloromethane. Chloromethane. Okay. This is called bromopropane. One position is bromine, bromo group, halo group, so it is called 1-bromopropane. Okay. Haloalkane is also alkyl halide. Alkyl halides are mainly three types: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are three types: primary alkyl halide. What is primary alkyl halide? In alkyl halides, one alkyl group is attached, are called primary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide contain two alkyl groups. This is called secondary alkyl halide. And alkyl halide contains three alkyl groups. Is called tertiary alkyl halide. Just discuss primary, secondary, and tertiary alkyl halide. This is primary alkyl halide, 1 degree alkyl halide. Examples are CH3, CH2, Br, bromomethane. CH3, CH2, 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 Cl, chlorobutane. This is the primary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide contain two alkyl groups. It is called second degree alkyl halide. Second degree alkyl halide. In primary alkyl halide, halogen group is attached to that carbon which contains two hydrogen atom. In secondary alkyl halide, halogen is attached to that carbon atom which contains one hydrogen atom. This is called secondary alkyl halide. Secondary alkyl halide contain two alkyl groups. Just for examples, CH3, CH3, HCl. This is what is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 2-chloropropane. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Tertiary alkyl halide, the alkyl halide contain three alkyl groups, are called tertiary alkyl halide. Just see example: CH3, 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 Br. This compound is the tertiary butyl group. One carbon attached to the three alkyl group, methyl group, is called tertiary butyl. This common name is tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide. And what is the IUPAC name of this compound? IUPAC name, first consider longest chain is the main chain. 1, 2, 3 longest chain. Main chain 2-bromo, 2-methyl propane. IUPAC name is 2-bromo, 2-methyl propane. This is the IUPAC name. So this is the type of alkyl halide: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halides. allylic halide, CH2 double bond CH2 X. This is allylic halide. Suppose that examples are CH2 double bond CH, CH2Br. What is IUPAC name? IUPAC name is 3-bromopropene. Double bond halogen and double bond preference. That is called 3-bromopropene. This is allylic halide. Allyl group. In propene, one hydrogen is replaced, so it is called allylic halide. Then vinylic halide, vinyl group. What is vinyl group? In ethene, one hydrogen replaced by halogen group is called vinylic group. Therefore, CH2 double bond CHX. This is the vinylic halide. Examples: CH2 double bond CH, Cl. What is the IUPAC name? What is common name? It is called vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. Here is a allyl bromide. Its common name is allyl bromide. Its common name is allyl bromide. It is called vinyl chloride. What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is chloroethene. IUPAC name is chloroethene. Okay. Then benzylic halide. Benzylic halide. Benzylic halide. This group is called benzyl and X, benzylic halide. In toluene, one hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Toluene is your, in benzene, CH3 group is called, this is called toluene. Okay, toluene. And it is also known as methyl benzene. In toluene, one hydrogen is replaced by halogen, so it is called benzylic halide. Just for example, CH2Cl. What is common name? This compound's name is benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is chlorophenyl. Chloro or benzene, one hydrogen replaced, benzene is called phenyl. Chlorophenyl methane. IUPAC name is chlorophenyl methane. Okay, this is called benzylic halide. Then aryl halide. Then aryl halide. What is aryl halide? Benzene group is called aryl. In benzene, one hydrogen is replaced by halogen group. It's called aryl halide. It is known as aryl halide. And this is your benzene, and halogen group is attached. This group is known as aryl halide. Examples: chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. Okay, this is the examples of aryl halide. Now comes to the next topics. What is called Jim dihalide and Vic dihalide. Jim dihalide. Jim dihalide means two halogen group is attached वन कार्बन, एक ही कार्बन एटम पे दो हेलोजन ग्रुप्स अटैच होगा तो ऐसे हैलाइड्स को हम जिम डायहैलाइड कहेंगे, जेम डायहैलाइड्स कहेंगे। जस्ट फॉर CH3 CHCl Cl, this is gene dihalide, CH3 CCl Cl CH3 example, this is gene dihalide examples। weak dihalide, दो हेलोजन एटम्स जो है नेबरिंग कार्बन पे, दो डिफरेंट कार्बन एटम पे नेबरिंग और डिफरेंट कार्बन पे नेबरिंग कार्बन पे अटैच होगा तो ऐसे हैलाइड को हम बोलेंगे आपको वीक डायहैलाइड, वीक डायहैलाइड। दिस इज वीक डायहैलाइड, ओके, वीक डायहैलाइड। This is weak dihalide, okay, this is weak dihalide, this is example, this is the zinc dihalide, this is your weak dihalide, okay, or this is called geminal and this is called vicinal। Now come to the nomenclature of haloalkane, nomenclature of nomenclature। अब देखिए nomenclature में Br is there, this is called 1-bromobutane or normal butyl bromide and butyl bromide, IUPAC name is 1-bromobutane, butane, okay। CH3 CH CH3, this group is called isopropyl group, और here is Br is attached, common name is isopropyl bromide, isopropyl bromide। What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is 1 2 3 2-bromopropane। Similarly, आइसोब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड, ये आइसोप्रोपाइल है, एक कार्बन और इंक्रीज करके इसका नेम है वो आइसोब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड, आइसोब्यूटाइल ब्रोमाइड, दिस इज कॉमन नेम। व्हाट इज IUPAC name? 1 2 3 1 bromo 2 methyl propane, 1 bromo 2 methyl propane, this is the IUPAC name, okay। This is tertiary butyl group, one carbon is attached to 3 alkyl group is called tertiary butyl, 4 carbon in this, the common name is tertiary butyl bromide, tertiary butyl bromide, okay। What is the IUPAC name of this compound? IUPAC name is, first you consider longest chain 1 2 3 longest chain, 2 position is Br, 2 bromo, 2 position is methyl is attached, so its name is 2 bromo 2 methyl propane, 2 bromo 2 methyl propane, okay। halorine. This is your chlorobenzene. In this is the all position in benzene rings are equal. So this is called chlorobenzene. And function groups attached. जो next position होगा इस position को हम बोलेंगे ortho. This is your meta and this is your para. Okay. Ortho is symbolized by O. Meta is M, small m, and para is P. Okay. This is the common name. Suppose that here is what is common name? Ortho dichlorobenzene. Ortho dichlorobenzene. Okay. Here is, and what is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is one position is 1 and 2. One position is halogen chloro and second position is also chloro Cl group. So 1,2 dichlorobenzene. 1,2 dichlorobenzene. This is the IUPAC name. Similarly, ortho, this is your ortho, this is meta. So what is the common name? Meta dichlorobenzene, M dichlorobenzene. What is the IUPAC name? 1,3 dichlorobenzene, 1,3 dichlorobenzene. Okay, and come to the next. This is your para, ortho meta para. This is called para dichlorobenzene, para dichlorobenzene. What is the IUPAC name? 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Benzene, okay? This is benzene. This is your here is Cl. Here is Cl. What is IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. This is the IUPAC name, and it is also called 666. 666. Why it is called 666? 6 chlorine, 6 carbon, and 6 hydrogen. Already hydrogen is present in all carbonate. So it is called 666, or it is also known as gamma-gene. Okay. Suppose this is benzene, here is Cl, here is Br. What is IUPAC name? What is IUPAC name? Starting from alphabetic order, B for bromo ion, then chloro. So starting at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 bromo, 4 chlorobenzene. 1 bromo, 4 chlorobenzene. This is IUPAC name. Today my first class, so this is only nomenclature. Next class I am coming to the preparation of halocane and halorine. Okay, thank you.